Welcome to Toys and RC. In today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 best FMS RC planes worth buying in 2026. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've put together a list of some of the best options for different types of RC pilots. Whether you're looking for the best value, performance, beginner-friendly flying, or a specific type of RC plane, I'm here to help you find the right option. For more details about each product, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase designed to help you compare some of the best options available. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to Toys and RC for more RC content. Number 5. If you're looking for an RC plane that's easy to fly and perfect for building your confidence, the FMS 1220mm Ranger V2 is an excellent choice. With a 48-inch wingspan, this high-wing trainer is designed to deliver stable and predictable flight characteristics, making it especially appealing to beginners and intermediate pilots. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in Reflex V3 flight stabilization system, which offers 3 flight modes: stabilized, optimized, and manual. That means you can start with extra assistance and gradually move toward more hands-on control as your skills improve. The Ranger V2 also features a powerful 1200 kV brushless motor, a lightweight airframe, and excellent low-speed handling. FMS rates it for short takeoffs and landings of around 3 meters, making it practical for smaller flying areas. The durable spring-cushioned nose landing gear also helps make takeoffs and landings more forgiving, especially for newer pilots. And if you want to take your flying to the next level, optional floats are available, allowing you to transform the Ranger into an amphibious RC plane for flying from the water. With quick assembly, stable flight, and plenty of room to grow as a pilot, the FMS Ranger V2 is a fantastic way to start your RC flying journey. Number 4. Moving up to number 4, we have the FMS 1400mm Kingfisher, a versatile RC plane built for pilots who want to fly far beyond the typical grass field. With its 55-inch wingspan and powerful 850 kV amperes brushless motor, the Kingfisher delivers excellent low-speed handling and impressive STOL performance, with takeoffs possible in less than 3 meters. Its oversized Tundra-style wheels make it ideal for grass, gravel, dirt, and rough terrain, while the included floats let you take off and land on water. It can even be equipped with skis for snow and ice flying. The Kingfisher is also designed with beginners in mind, offering stable and predictable handling, while still having enough performance for more experienced pilots who want to explore bush flying and adventurous takeoffs and landings. With easy assembly, a durable EPO airframe, large wheels, floats, and excellent versatility, the FMS Kingfisher is one of the most capable, multi-purpose RC planes on this list. If you want one plane that can handle grass, dirt, water, and even snow, the Kingfisher is a fantastic choice for bush flying and STOL adventures. Number 3. The FMS 1500mm Cessna 182. A great choice for RC pilots who want realistic scale looks combined with enjoyable everyday performance. With its 59-inch wingspan, the Cessna 182 features impressive scale details that make it look remarkably close to the real aircraft, both in the air and on the ground. But this plane isn't just about appearance. Its stable and predictable flight characteristics make it easy to control, while the powerful brushless motor provides plenty of performance for smooth takeoffs, confident climbs, and enjoyable cruising. The Cessna 182 is also a great everyday sport plane. It's versatile enough for relaxed flights at the local field, while still giving scale enthusiasts the realistic flying experience they're looking for. With its combination of realistic design, stable handling, and strong brushless power, the FMS Cessna 182 offers a great balance between scale realism and fun. If you're a scale-flying enthusiast looking for an RC plane that's beautiful, capable, and enjoyable to fly, the FMS 1500mm Cessna 182 is an excellent choice. Number 2. At number 2, we have the FMS 80mm F-86 Sabre, a high-performance EDF jet that combines impressive speed with realistic scale details. Powered by an 80mm electric ducted fan system, the F-86 delivers smooth acceleration, fast passes, and an exciting jet flying experience. The retractable landing gear adds another level of realism, while the detailed scale design makes this Sabre look fantastic both on the ground and in the air. Despite its performance, the aircraft is designed for smooth and predictable handling, giving experienced RC pilots a great balance between speed and control. And when you open the throttle, the F-86 really comes alive, reaching speeds of over 90 miles per hour. If you're looking for a realistic military jet with serious performance, retractable landing gear, and the speed to deliver an adrenaline-filled flying experience, the FMS 80mm F-86 Sabre is an impressive choice. Number 1. And taking the number 1 spot, we have the FMS 90mm Super Scorpion V2, a flagship EDF jet built for pilots who want serious performance and advanced aerobatic capability. Powered by a high-performance 90mm EDF system, the Super Scorpion delivers incredible acceleration, powerful vertical performance, and the speed needed for high-energy aerobatics. This jet combines premium electronics with a refined airframe, giving you precise control and impressive stability even when pushing the aircraft to its limits. The Super Scorpion V2 can reach speeds of over 100 miles per hour, making every high-speed pass and vertical climb an adrenaline-filled experience. Its combination of speed, power, agility, and premium construction puts it among the most capable FMS jets available. If you're an experienced RC pilot looking for a high-performance EDF that can deliver spectacular aerobatics and serious speed, the FMS 90mm Super Scorpion V2 is our number 1 choice for 2026. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.